I'm on my way to the hospital bus stop kasi meron na naman kaming trip going to the National Museum of Saudi Arabia, sponsored and arranged by our Hospital Employee Social Club. So free ito, walang fees or anything. Sila nag-arrange ng aming transportation and logistics doon sa National Museum. In a few minutes, nandun na ako sa aming hospital bus stop. Malapit na ako sa hospital bus stop namin. So yun yung mga buses. Andito rin yung mga kasamahan ko.
A few moments later.
So kukontakan niya yung tour guide. So hinahanap namin yung entrance. Yan ang entrance. After 10 years, last time na pumunta ako dito was 2014. After 10 years, at least may development naman siya.
So happy that you are with us here.
Thank you.
To come to us. It will be 1 hour.
Lobby area.
All of them in the center, but you are in the biggest part of the center. You are in the National Museum, and you will have all the history in the National Museum. We have 8 galleries to explain the history. You will see them one by one. Let's go. This is the meteorite of Waba. It's found in the empty quarter desert in the south of Saudi Arabia. It weighs 2.75 tons. This one is iron. You can touch, to be sure. It's iron.
Healing power daw yun. Tanggalin niya yung mga sakit-sakit sa tuhod.
All of them original.
Desert rose. Saudi Arabian elephant. 2 million years ago, this was Saudi Arabia.
No language, no writing, no civilization in between, no using fire. And it was 5000 BC when the civilization starts, and it was in Mesopotamia. We will jump to Gallery 2. Gallery 2 about the kingdom. The objects here is very huge objects. We have from Tabuk the stony board. This wall here from Taima. This one 2000 BC. Start the design. Then later start the alphabet.
Sample of early Arabic calligraphy.
All the decoration here from Sumerian, Babylonian on this stone. And this is approved about connect with Sumerian that time. We still have 5 galleries more.
Imagination Oasis.
Syrian, they attack Arabs in north of Iraq. Let's go to the wall of Taima. This section especially for Taima. The pottery is famous from Taima. And this one, we found maybe 3,000 objects like this in the temple. We need to explain about the toilet with Arabs. But here, with Arabs, it is inside and always upstairs. From 400 BC.
Hindi mo akalain na yung inodoro ilang centuries ago ay nasa museum na. Lake.
So this is very important object in Saudi Arabia. We call it Faj treasures. Faj in the eastern province.
Mga old marketplace. May elevator na sa shallow. We are in the 2nd floor.
This is the mountain of An-Nur, where the angel came to the Muslim.
So, iniwan na kami ng tour guide. Kanya-kanya daw kaming humanap ng sarili naming buhay. So, copy of the manuscript of the Holy Quran. Nandito na tayo sa hindi ko na alam kung anong gallery. Dito na tayo sa Islam and the Arabian Peninsula. Kitchen corner. Yan ang blender nila before. Wooden tools, wooden inkwell, mud stove, glass bottles, and glaze pottery. Dirhams, and then copper coins. Ito namang portion na to is pan-Islamic scripts. So, mga scripts na naka-invent sa stones. Ang galing. Buti pwedeng hawakan, ano? So, 1st and 2nd Saudi states. May naupuan sila. Nasa socialing era na tayo kasi mayroon na siyang steel. Meron na siyang mga espada. Mga asenso na sila sa buhay. This is the forces of the first Saudi state. Weapons belonging to the first Saudi state. View from Diriyah Street. Baby cannons. Silver. Economics. So, exit na kami. Baba na kami pagkatapos namin mag-CR. Medyo mataas yung hanggan. Hindi na kami nag-elevator. Kapalabas na. Tapos na ang aming trip sa gallery. Naman tayong outdoor. Dito na tayo sa labas ng museum. Ano kayo makikita natin dito? or mararamdaman kasi mainit na siya. So from inside, dito kami sa labas. Daming tao. Pwede pala siyang maging park sa gabi. National Museum na. Park pa. Saan ka na? Ganda ng kulay talaga ng ganito pag sa gabi. Pag sa maga, makikita mo siya very plain sandy color. Pero pag gabi, ang ganda niyong very scenic. Dito daw tayo sa Murabba Palace. Ay, ang ganda niya. Para talaga siyang palace. Ano?
Kasi palace talaga siya.
Kaya lang, paano mo mapapasok tong mga palace na to? Puro wall. Parang brain. Oh. Diba? Swimming pool. Hindi na namin alam kung nasa ang lupalop na kami ng palasyo. Pabalik na kami sa loob ng museum. Ito yung part ng museum sa harap, or sa side. Kasi sa opposite side, yun yung entrance mismo. Ito yung park side naman siya. Pabalik na uli kami sa loob. Then we're going home afterwards. Ito na kami lahat, na-complete na kami, and then we're going out. Tapos na ang aming tour for today. Balik na uli kami at maghihintay kami ng bus. Hi, National Museum!